comment about bees. They're just trying to get a drink of water.
I've been to a different place before.
Oh.
Which had a lot of grass.
Okay.
This is the same place.
That was a wasp.
Yes, it is. We just went down further.
That was a wasp. That wasn't a bee.
Okay, well, it's all right. They can't hurt you.
It can.
Well, it can if you smack it or something, but just let it.
Wasps will attack you for no reason.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, so there was a wasp nest in our mailbox. Colin opened it and did that, and my sister said she watched the bee do this, bounce up and down, and the wasp kept stinging her. Like,
Wasps bite. They don't sting.
really?
Yes.
Well, it was bouncing up and down.
Hi, honey. Kayla? Look. Say hi. Abby, say hi. Gianna? Gianna, say hello. BJ, say hello. BJ's going in.
BJ the paddle! BJ!
He'd rather not have his
Can you feel the bottom?
I did it on purpose.
Can you feel the bottom?
I couldn't tell who it was.
BJ.
Trying to take a picture of me.
BJ!
Was it? Oh, you, come on, man.
Can you feel the bottom?
No, you can't feel it. My bumper in here again.
Bumper cars.
Just hold on to it. I don't know.
For bumper boats, I guess.
Hold on to the